Good morning, welcome to Goodwill. In this video presentation we will see how we can trade in MCX copper market today. Before looking into that, let us see what happened yesterday and what we expected yesterday. The chart you're seeing is 7-minute candlestick chart, and this candlestick indicates yesterday's price opening, which shows that the market opened near 474. We expected copper to stay in buying. So right after the opening, the price consolidated and continued its buying, went up till 482.5 and closed near 481. So again the price maintained its buying trend. So today it's expected to open somewhere near 482. No change in our strategy. Still you can expect copper to stay in buying to reach 485.5. We cannot change the stop till you can place stop loss at 475 and you can go for buying at various support levels. So since the volatility is quite high, we need to have a deep stop loss. So let us see what's going to happen during the trading session, and thanks a lot for watching our videos. Happy trading, take care, bye.